Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your portfolio with Microsoft, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your portfolio with Microsoft, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Microsoft account page at www.microsoft.com. Sign into your Microsoft account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the OneDrive section. Look for the folder where your portfolio was originally saved. If you can't locate your folder, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of your portfolio or any related keywords. If you still can't find it, check your recycle bin in OneDrive. To access the recycle bin, scroll down the left sidebar and click on Recycle Bin. Look for your portfolio file in the recycle bin list. If you find it, select the file and click Restore to recover it. If the file is not in the recycle bin, try checking any other folders where you may have saved it. Remember, you can use the version history feature to recover previous versions of files. Right-click on the portfolio file and select Version History if available. Review the versions displayed and select the one you want to restore. If you're using Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint, ensure auto recovery options are enabled for future protection. To check this, open the application and navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Make sure the autosave feature is turned on to prevent future data loss. Once you recover your portfolio, regularly back it up to avoid similar situations. Consider syncing your files with your local storage or another cloud service. Finally, familiarize yourself with Microsoft's support options for further assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your portfolio and safeguard your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.